Hello everyone, hope you all are fine. As you all know very well that due to extreme cold weather, DM extended the winter break. So we are going to start with your online classes. So welcome back to your online class of English first, that is grammar of class 7th. So student, in the school we have almost completed most of the chapter, but the remaining portion we will continue in the videos. So today I'm going to start with chapter number 25, that is transformation of sentences, and it is on page number 134. So we are going to start with chapter number 25, that is transformation of sentences. Now, what is the meaning of transformation? Transformation means changing. Okay, so in this chapter, we will learn how to change sentences. Means we will change the sentences from assertive to a negative, from affirmative to exclamatory. Likewise, we will change, but we will not change the meaning of the sentence. Means the sentences will be changed from affirmative to negative, from assertive to exclamatory, but the meaning of the sentences will remain the same. Okay, so you have already discussed that there are different kinds of sentences, right? In your earlier classes or in your previous chapters, you have already learned that there are different kinds of sentences like assertive, interrogative, exclamatory, and imperative. I guess all of you knows very well about these sentences. In detail also we will discuss. Okay, so first of all we will start with assertive sentences. So what are assertive sentences? Assertive sentence, they are also known as declarative sentence, and a sentence that makes a statement, right, or assertion is called an assertive sentence, and it has a full stop at the end also, right? Now assertive sentence is further classified into two categories, that is affirmative and negative. Now what is the meaning of affirmative? Affirmative are the positive sentence, right? So that means assertive sentences are divided into two categories. They are positive and negative ones. Okay, now the meaning of transformation, I told you that transformation means changing. Okay, so transformation of sentences implies changing a sentence from one kind to another kind without changing their meaning, right? Means from one kind means from affirmative to exclamatory, or from assertive to exclamatory we will change, but we will not change the meaning of the sentence. The meaning will remain the same. Okay, like changing sentences from affirmative to negative, or from negative to affirmative, vice versa means, but we will not change the meaning will remain same in both of the sentence, but sentences will be changed accordingly. Okay, so first of all, we will discuss how we will change affirmative to negative, right? Affirmative means positive sentence, so how positive sentence will be changed into negative ones? So negative transformation can be done by removing or adding negative words and replacing adjective or adverbs with their opposites. So all of you knows very well that in negative sentences there is not. Okay, so we can add not also, or we can replace adjective or adverb also with their opposite. Like we will look the examples. With the help of examples it will be more clear to you. Sentence number 1, he is busy now. So here you can see this one is affirmative sentence. So when we will change it into negative ones, not will come, and the opposite of busy is idle, right? Busy means someone who is working continuously, and idle who is not working, who is sitting, right? So I already told you that we can add negative word like not we have add, or we can replace adjective or adverb with the opposite. So opposite of busy is idle. So here you can notice that both of the sentence convey the same meaning or same message, right? But they are changed from affirmative to negative ones. Okay, now here in these two sentences, they ran away quickly. This is affirmative sentence, but when we are going to change it into negative one, so it will be they were not slow in running away. So here also you have noticed that not is being used, and the opposite of quickly is slow. Means the meaning in both of the sentences are same, but it has changed from affirmative to negative one. Okay, now similarly, if negative sentences are going to transform into affirmative. How we are going to do that? All of you knows very well that in negative sentences, no is there. Okay, so there is no gain without pain. So this one is negative. When we will change it into simple one, no will be removed. So it will be every gain has a pain. So in both of the sentence, you can notice that the meaning or the message is same, that there is no gain without pain or every gain has pain, but the sentence is changed from negative to affirmative ones. Okay, now she's not as weak as her sister. This is negative sentence because not is there. Okay, but when we will change it into affirmative, the opposite of weak is stronger. So we can do it like this: she is stronger than her sister. Right, student? Now we are going to change assertive to exclamatory. Right? So, what are exclamatory sentences? A sentence that expresses sudden and strong feeling. Okay, that is called an exclamatory sentence. Right? Like the feeling of pity, shame, happiness, wonder, etc. Okay, and it has an exclamation mark also, exclamatory mark, whether at the beginning of the sentence or at the end of the sentence. Okay, do you all remember the exclamation mark? It is like this. Okay, student. So, when we are changing assertive into exclamatory, the operative expressive adverb in assertive sentence is replaced with an exclamatory opening. That is how, what, o, etc. Now, how? We will learn in these examples. It is really a lovely sight. This one is assertive sentence, but when we are changing into exclamatory, it will be, oh, what a lovely sight it is. You can notice that it is starting with O. The opening is exclamatory, right? Now, this is indeed a great privilege. This is assertive sentence, but when we are changing into exclamatory, it will be what a great privilege this is. You can notice what we have used the exclamatory opening. Okay. Now, similarly, if we are changing exclamatory into assertive, we are removing the exclamation mark also and that opening word also, right? And it will be placed with suitable adverb. Okay, like example, how well she dances. This is exclamatory one, but when we are changing it to assertive one, we are removing this exclamation mark also and the exclamatory opening also. So it will be, she really dances well. Okay, now in second sentence, alas, he lost his entire saving. So you can notice that alas is the word, this is exclamation opening and the mark is also there, but when we are changing it to an assertive, it will be, it is indeed sad that he has lost his entire savings. So in all of these sentences, what you are noticing that the meaning is same, but the sentence is transformed from one kind to another kind. Okay, now the next kind is interrogative, and we are changing into transformation, assertive transformation. So interrogative sentences are the simple one in which questions are being asked, and at the last of the sentence question mark is there, right? I guess all of you knows very well about this. With the help of example, it will be more clear to you. So examples are here. Why think of what has gone by? So you can see interrogation mark is there, and when we are changing into assertive one, it will be, it is useless to think of what has gone by, or it can be written as, it is not prudent to think of what has gone by. Okay, now in this sentence, this one is different. Why it is different, I'll tell you. Did we not ask the warden's permission? In this, you can notice that in interrogative sentence, not is there. What is there? Not. Means this is negative interrogative sentence. So if the interrogative is in negative one, the assertive will be the positive. Okay, it will be the positive. Like here it is, did we not ask the warden's permission? When we will change it to assertive one, here we will remove not, and here the sentence will be in positive form. So it will be, we did ask the warden's permission, right? Now, some other ways are also there for transforming the sentence, like we can consider to by changing or replacing to with so or that. Like, that hill is too steep for me to climb. So we can replace to with so and that. So it will be, that hill is so steep that I cannot climb it. Okay. So in the above sentence, student, what you have noticed in these sentences, that the adverb to, it is replaced with the conjunctive expression, that is so that. Okay, now similarly we can change so that also with the help of to. So it will be she is so weak that she cannot undertake the trek. So when we will change it, it will be she is too weak to undertake the trek. Okay, so this was the explanation of the chapter. I guess you all have understood it very well, but I request you to just go through one more time with a video to make it more clear. Okay, and just read it by yourself. Now we'll start with page number 136. Always I'm giving this test yourself in homework, so this time also you all have to do this in your homework. So in this you can see these are the multiple choice question, and three questions are there, and in each question three options are there. You have to choose and take the correct option. Okay, so this is homework for you, student. Now we'll start with the exercise portion. Exercise number 8. This is very simple. In this, what you have to do, you have to transform the following sentences as indicated in the brackets, right? Whatever the indication in the bracket is given, according to that you have to change the sentences. Okay, one by one we'll start with it. You can take out your writing materials. Here it is. So we'll start with A, number 1. They were absent at the conference. So we have to change it into -1. So negative we will add not. So it will be they were not present at the conference. Okay. Now number 2. Absent, the opposite of absent will be present. But we will change it to negative. So it will be they were not present in the conference, at the conference. The meaning is same, but the sentence is transformed. Okay. Now number 2, the lions remained hungry till evening. This also we have to change it to negative. So it will be the lions did not eat till evening. Number 3, he did not pass the test. This we have to change it into affirmative. So he failed the test. Passed means failed the test. Okay, the meaning is same. Number 4, she never went back on her promise. This also affirmative. So she always kept her promise. Okay, went back on, always kept her promise. Number 5, did we not inform you about our arrival? This we need to change into assertive, but one thing you have to notice in this sentence, that the sentence is in negative form, and I already told you that if the sentence is in negative form in interrogation 1, then when we are changing into assertive 1, it will be changed into positive, right? So it will be we did inform you about our arrival. Number 6, was it not a foolish decision? Assertive, it will be it was truly a foolish decision. Number 7, how sincere a person he is. This is exclamation, we have to change it into assertive. So it will be he is truly a sincere person. Number 8, alas, the old man died yesterday. This also we have to change into assertive. So it will be it is very sad that the old man died yesterday. Number 9, it was truly a brave attempt. This we have to change into exclamatory. So bravo, what a brave attempt. Okay, I told you that the opening must be exclamatory and the exclamation mark must be there. Number 10, it was indeed a joy to meet those people. This also similarly we need to change into exclamatory. So the opening will be the exclamatory word. So it will be, oh, what a joy to meet those people. Okay, it was very simple. I guess you all have understood it very well. Now we'll start with exercise number B. In this you have to rewrite the following sentences by replacing to with so that. Means wherever to is coming, we will replace to with so that. So one by one I'm going to start. Number 1, the problem was too complex for me to solve. So here we will replace to with so that. So it will be the problem was so complex that I could not solve it. With which we are going to replace it. We are going to replace it with so and that. Number 2, it was too late in the night to cook a meal. So it was so late in the night that a meal could not be cooked. Number 3, the boy is too young to be issued a driving license. The boy is so young that he can't be issued a driving license. Number 4, he's too proud to beg. He is so proud that he cannot beg. Number 5, they are too poor to afford luxuries. They are so poor that they cannot afford luxuries. Okay. Now C portion, rewrite the following sentences by replacing so that with to. Now this is the opposite of this exercise B. In this we have replaced to with so that. Now in this we have to replace so with to. Okay, wherever so that is coming, we can replace with to. Number 1, The jungle was so dense that we could not see in the daytime. So and that we will replace it with to. So it will be the jungle was too dense for us to see in a daytime. Okay, from here it will start. You can see. Now number two, the lady is so timid that she won't complain. So the lady is too timid to complain. Number three, the dress is so expensive that I cannot buy it. The dress is too expensive for me to buy. Number four, this curry is so hot that it cannot be eaten. This curry is too hot to be eaten. And the last one, the man is so honest that he cannot tell a lie. So it will be the man is too honest to tell a lie. Okay. So student, I request you all to please complete your work, as you all know that your annual exams are also near. So do practice and keep on doing the work and take care of yourself. Okay, we'll back with new chapter in the new video. Till then, all of you take care of yourself. Thank you.